Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to block ads and trackers at the router level. So what gonna do, we will just move in the settings of phone. I will just tap on it simply, and now I will be just tapping on this Wi-Fi section, and we will get in, and we will move in this I option, which is called the information of this network connected. And what gonna do, we will just scroll down, and I will be just tap on it the configure DNS. So I will just tap on it and set to manual. I will just add the search. So in this search, I will just host name is the DNS dot add dot com. So just save it. So now you will be just block the ads trackers at the router level. So that's it. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.